Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, shut the laptop down and unplug the power. Do not skip this. Remove the battery if your VAIO has a removable one. This prevents power flow. Next, ground yourself by touching the metal chassis or using an anti-static strap because static kills electronics. Finally, flip the laptop and locate the service panel. Know whether you have a 2.5-inch SATA drive or an M.2 NVMe stick, so you open the correct compartment and grab the proper tools. Once the panel is off, organize screws by size and location so reassembly is simple. If it's a 2.5-inch drive, slide the caddy out and detach the SATA connector gently by pulling straight back. For an M.2 module, remove the tiny retaining screw and lift the drive at about a 30-degree angle, then slide it free. Be deliberate and slow. Cables and connectors are fragile. Make sure you note any foam or brackets that hold the drive. They must return to the same positions. With the drive free, place it in an anti-static bag and label it with the model and date so you can reuse or resell it safely. Reinstall any brackets, replace the access panel, and carefully screw each fastener back where it came from, then power on and check that the system boots normally. If the laptop fails to detect its storage, shut down, recheck connector seating and the BIOS storage mode. Sometimes a loose cable or wrong SATA mode causes the issue, so inspect and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.